Yo, what's going on YouTube? So today we are back with M235i, another addition to the build series. Today we're going to be installing a carbon fiber diffuser. This is a 3D design style diffuser. I got it from RW Carbon. I'll link it down in the description below. And yeah, I think there's they gave us like a 5% discount code or something like that. So if you guys are ordering something, get 5% off. Something's better than nothing. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started and get on to this install. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, I do have like the M Performance carbon fiber spoiler, and then I have the carbon fiber mirror caps, and then we're about to have a carbon fiber rear diffuser. So right now we just have the regular M Performance one. To remove this, I think there's maybe like 4 to 6 8mm screws on the bottom, and then the rest is tabs. Yeah, so I think there's 6. So here's the carbon fiber one, you can see. And then the other 3, and then it has tabs on the top. But this is the diffuser. You guys can see it right here. So yeah, I'm just gonna drop the old diffuser real quick, undo those bolts, and then probably just have to use like if you guys have like a prying tool, usually for like interiors or something like that, that should work well. And yeah, so I'm gonna film that, and then yeah, we'll see how this turns out. Alright guys, so after looking at the diffuser, the one that was on there, for the corners, so for these ones, right there in the right corner, it's actually going to use a clip instead of a screw or bolt or whatever. So it's going to use one of these little clips. So you got to just pry those off, and then you take out like the centerpiece like that, which allows this to like squeeze and go into the hole easier, and then you push the little part at the bottom all the way in, and it'll hold the diffuser in place. So I'm just gonna put like a blanket or something right here on the floor, that way I don't scratch my diffuser when I'm installing it. Alright guys, so it's pretty much on, but honestly the fitment is not perfect. I'm not able to line up like majority of the screws on the bottom. I even loosened up the firewall to try to adjust that so I can get a better angle, but it's just not drilled properly. So that's honestly one complaint I have, is the fitment is not perfect. And also this gap right here doesn't really look the best, but I mean, it is what it is. That's not really noticeable. It's more just the issues with the fitment on securing the diffuser on the car. But other than that, I mean, it looks good. The carbon looks good. It doesn't really have any defects there, but hopefully I can secure it a little bit better, and then it should be all good to go. Alright guys, so I was only able to get the little corner little clips in, and they weren't lined up, so I just got them in as best as you can. So you can see one of them broke right there, but if you look up there, see there's that clip right there, and then a screw right there. And I was able to do the same thing on the other side. None of the screws in the middle fit in, but overall it looks pretty good. I like it. So you can see the carbon. I'm gonna get some new exhaust tips too, probably go up to a 4-inch tips instead of the 3.5. And I think it'll just make the car look a lot more aggressive. So there it is. And yeah, so that's pretty much it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's kind of short, but I mean there's not much you can really do, but like always, stay tuned for more on Primus Auto Works, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.